So, as I take a look back in my bullet journal, what I've noticed is, I don't know, maybe I've been eating out a little too much. When I look at my bullet journal and also my Quicken, I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to cut down. But anyway, I am not encouraging you to fill your bullet journal with food entries, but instead I am encouraging you today to use your bullet journal to help you get your life and your business on track. And to help you do that, I created some free printable stickers and I cannot wait to show them to you. Okay, so let's get started. So over to the left, you'll see that quote. I'll show you a little video of me sticking it down later, but that is one of the quotes that you'll receive in this free packet. I've also got a sheet with goals and notes on there, and you can just cut them out. I've also included some other sheets that have some headers that might be useful to you. And then this sheet here has goals, so you can set them for 30, 60, and 90 days. And so that goals and notes, I really think that's key to have like every month or every week. And then the quote sheet, like I mentioned before. So yeah, all of these can be printed with the Avery clear sticker paper. It's like shipping paper. I'll make sure that I add a note so you guys know what number it is. But I made it real easy. So after you print it on the Avery paper, you literally just start cutting it out. And so you can print all of the sheets or just some of the sheets and then just have them on hand. If I make my own stickers, what I tend to do is I cut them all out and then I put them in like a little envelope. And so I'll just have them when I need them, or you can just cut them out as you need them. And so right now I'm creating a notes page for my bullet journal. I've just clipped out the notes and then I like to get it pretty close. It really doesn't matter because it's clear, but let's say if you want to decorate around the lettering, then you might want to get it close just so it's, so you can write on it, because that sticker paper is pretty slick. So unless it's like a Sharpie, you can't really write on it. And so I'm trying to just decide which side to put it on. I ultimately go with the left side, and the sticker paper is super easy. It has pre-cut slits in the back, so 9 times out of 10 you'll hit one of the slits when you cut it. So you see that slit right there, and then bada bing bada bam, I'm just gonna stick that guy down. Now while I'm doing that, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about how to decorate your notebook. Like, to have a good bullet journal, it does not have to be decorated. Like, I've seen some amazing bullet journals where it's just pen and ink and it's organized list, and it's amazing. I like having lettering and stickers and all the things in my notebook. And so the reason why I created this is because sometimes people get overwhelmed and they're like, oh my God, Nishay, I want my bullet journal to look like yours. So I thought, like, let me just in my own handwriting, hand letter some of my favorite headers and then just make them as stickers for people. And then people can then use their own washi tape or stickers or whatever they want to finish up, decorating the page if you so choose. So right now I am using some MU stickers, MU, and that's how it's spelled. And I really like these stickers. They're almost the texture of temporary tattoos. So instead of like a normal sticker where you just take off the back, you actually have to rub these on. And so right now I'm just trying to decide like how I want to decorate this page. I didn't want to go too crazy, but I just wanted to add just like a little pop of color. And then as I think of things, then I'll just add some notes to this page. So right now you'll see me cutting out the sticker. And with the MU sticker, it's really interesting. It comes like, so you have like the main sheet, and then it comes with a protective sheet on the back. And so after you take that protective sheet off of the back, then you just place it down where you want. It's like a little sticky, but you still need to rub it in order to get it to adhere to the paper. So right now I'm just trying to find my little tool. I just bought it for like $2 or something at Michael's. And basically I'm just using it to rub the sticker onto the paper. And the reason why I love to use these stickers is because, I mentioned already that they have like the weight of a temporary tattoo. So it's just really light, whereas some of the other stickers are heavy. So when you're turning your pages, they could tend to like just, be a little thicker or make your pages heavier. These stickers are like super, super light. It's almost as if you've drawn them on yourself. Okay. So I am just going ahead, and the trick with these stickers too is sometimes, like if you don't rub the edges really good or just rub it in really good, it'll catch and all the sticker won't adhere to the page. All right, perfect. And so I'm just going to add one additional sticker to the bottom, and then that will pretty much wrap up this page. But essentially, what I want to encourage you guys to do is just start journaling, because there are studies that show that when you write down what you want or write down what you want to accomplish, you're actually, more than likely to do it if you write it down. It's something scientific with the brain, something or the other. Don't get me started. I don't know. But what I can tell you is it works for me and it works for a ton of people, which is why I think journaling is so big right now. So if you've been thinking about journaling, but just not sure if you can or if you should, download this printable little sheet and just make some headers and just start writing in your journal. I also have an article and another video on like what a bullet journal is and how to start one. So if you're just not sure what to even do, check that out too, because I really, really highly encourage it. And I encourage it not only for people who are business owners, but even if you have a traditional 9-to-5 career, or if you, are just needed for your lifestyle, just to organize your life. The bullet journal is for everyone. All right. I mean, for me, for example, I have a 9-to-5, and then I do this kind of stuff on nights and weekends. And I really just use my bullet journal for nights and weekends. So during the day, my 9-to-5 stuff isn't in here. This is really all my side hustle stuff and just life stuff that I include in this notebook. So I want to also talk to you guys about goals. And one of the sheets that I include in this free printable has like a little area on there. Here it is, where it says goals, and then you can cut these out, and it's 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You could even cut the lines out individually and kind of stick them on where you need to, just so the spacing is right for the things that you need to accomplish. So all this is really customizable, but it's to get you to really, really, really focus on what you need to accomplish to do what you need to do. So please use that goal sheet. And I'm showing here that I have measured it out so it'll fit perfect in your Leuchtturm journal. If you have another journal, it should work, because I think the Leuchtturm is like a standard size. I forgot what size in particular it is, but it should fit in most journals, but it is formatted for the Leuchtturm journal. And then I just wanted to include some fun quotes in here for you, because I love to have quote pages. I mean, affirmations, people respond well to affirmations also. I believe there's been studies done on, just how positive thinking can help you be a better person, and affirmations definitely help with that. And so I'm just switching over real quick. On the right side, you guys will see me sticking down one of the quotes. And basically, I just printed it off. It's just one of the sheets. I cut it out just like I did the notes header that I showed you all in this video. And bada bing, bada bam, you have a beautiful quote to put in your book. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel and download the Printable. Take care. Bye.